buffet here,
Buffet?
lunch and dinner. It's a fusion of Filipino Asian cuisine. We have hot pot also, Mongolian stir fry. We have 4 kinds of carving.
4 kinds.
Steak,
Steak,
lamb,
lamb,
suckling pig, and baked fish. The breakfast buffet that we have here is a combination of continental, American, Filipino. So we have dilis, we have champurrado here, we have tuyo, we have an egg station. We serve taho also on weekends because yun na namimiss na nating balikbayans. And of course, we have also all kinds of breads. We're very famous in Canada, all kinds of Danish pastries.
Thank you po, ma'am. Thank you po.
Thank you.
Ma'am, you have a joke for us?
Okay. Anong isda ang nangangarate?
Anong isda ang nangangarate? Ano po, ma'am?
Tilapia!